The James Webb Telescope from NASA has provided us with an extensive array of breathtaking, extraordinary images and game-changing information for NASA engineers. It has allowed us to see planets and moons in fantastic detail. Recently, the James Webb Telescope was able to take a breathtaking picture of the so-called Cartwheel Galaxy on August 2nd. What's unique about the Cartwheel Galaxy is that it is fundamentally different from other galaxies in the universe for one very surprising reason. To understand what makes the Cartwheel Galaxy so different from other galaxies, and what this discovery from the JWST means, make sure you watch to the end of the video. You won't regret it. It is hard to fathom what the James Webb Telescope sees because our naked eye would never be able to see what the telescope sees. Traveling through light and space, James Webb can see the origins of the universe, something our minds can hardly begin to grasp. Working like a time machine, the first images shared by this powerful telescope on July 12 showed us far-off galaxies, the death of stars, and the atmosphere of planets outside our solar system. These images give us a glimpse into our universe's past, present, and future. The telescope is named after James Webb, the former administrator of NASA. He was instrumental in getting the telescope off the ground, and his legacy will live on through this incredible machine. The telescope is located at a distance of 930,000 miles from Earth and is the size of a tennis court. It is made up of 18 hexagonal mirrors that work together to collect light and images. The telescope has two main goals: to study the universe's origins and search for life on other planets. When you look up at the night sky, you might be lucky enough to spot a few different galaxies. Some look like spirals, while others are more like blobs. But there's one galaxy that's particularly special, and that's the Cartwheel Galaxy. The ringed-shaped galaxy more than 500 million light-years from Earth owes its name to its bright inner ring and colorful outer ring. And according to scientists, it's thanks to a high-speed collision that this galaxy looks the way it does. It was discovered in 1941 by astronomer Rudolf Minkowski, who described it as a brilliant ring, about 15 arcminutes in diameter, surrounding a central condensation. It's thought that the Cartwheel Galaxy was once part of a large spiral galaxy, similar to our own Milky Way, but then another galaxy came along and smashed into it, causing the two galaxies to become intertwined. From the center of the collision, the galaxy's two rings have been expanding outwards, and this has created the rare ringed shape that we see today. The Cartwheel Galaxy is a fantastic example of how powerful collisions between galaxies can be, and it's a reminder that our own Milky Way is constantly interacting with other galaxies in the universe. Never before have researchers been able to make sense of the Cartwheel Galaxy's disarray through clear vision. The image you see above is a composite of two separate images taken by the near-infrared camera, NIRCam, and the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, on the James Webb Space Telescope. Together, these instruments are able to see through the dust and reveal wavelengths of light that are impossible to observe in visible light conditions. The image shows the formation of stars in the aftermath of a galaxy collision, a process that is not yet completely understood. Scientists believe that this kind of collision is actually quite common in the universe and that it plays a role in the evolution of galaxies. The two galaxies involved in the collision are undergoing a process of merging into one larger galaxy. As they merge, they are funneling gas and dust toward the center of the new galaxy, where it forms a huge, bright nucleus. This influx of gas and dust is thought to be responsible for the formation of new stars. In the image above, you can see young, blue stars embedded in the dusty lanes of the collision. These new stars are the train wreck galaxy's way of rebuilding themselves. Even though the Hubble Space Telescope had already gazed into the galaxy, the amount of dust around the Cartwheel Galaxy prohibited it from seeing any of the astronomical events occurring there. The infrared sensors on the James Webb Telescope, however, have allowed researchers to peer inside the galaxy's brilliant center. This new view of the Cartwheel Galaxy has allowed scientists to finally unlock some of its secrets. For example, they have been able to determine that the galaxy is actually the result of two galaxies colliding. This collision took place around 100 million years ago and created a shockwave that sent the galaxies flying apart. The debris from the collision is what we see today as the ring of the Cartwheel Galaxy. Scientists have also been able to identify several regions within the galaxy that are currently undergoing star formation. This is an amazing discovery, as it means that the Cartwheel Galaxy is not only a beautiful sight, but also a very much active galaxy. The Cartwheel group, which consists of the 4 galaxies visible in these photos, is made up of 3 more galaxies. All of these galaxies exhibit signs of severe interactions of their own, but none of them is the galaxy that the Cartwheel crashed with 440 million years ago. The erratic spiral in the upper left corner, which is also showing fireworks, appears to have been disturbed at some point. Despite having a small tidal tail, a long stream of material drawn out by gravitational interaction with a large object, the neater spiral directly below it does. The James Webb Telescope is proving to be a powerful tool for astronomers. With its ability to see through dust and into the infrared, it is opening up new windows on the universe and allowing us to see things that we never thought possible. This galaxy is a beautiful example of the power of collisions in the universe. It's a reminder that even something as destructive as a collision can create something new and beautiful. The bright core at the center of the galaxy contains hot dust, says NASA, with the brightest areas being home to gigantic young star clusters. What you can see on the outer ring, on the other hand, is the formation of new stars. These are stars that are still in the process of forming, and they provide a glimpse into how the galaxy has been changing over the last few 100 million years. The Cartwheel Galaxy is still going through changes and will continue to transform, promising to reveal more secrets about how galaxies evolve over time. This stunning image of the Cartwheel Galaxy was captured by the Hubble Space Telescope and shows just how incredible and complex our universe really is. The Cartwheel Galaxy is a fascinating example of how galaxies can change over time, and it provides astronomers with a unique opportunity to study how these changes take place. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, and for more and similar videos, make sure you subscribe for more NASA and space updates, including updates from the James Webb Telescope. For more James Webb Telescope news, click on one of these 2 videos or check out our JWST playlist. See you on our next video.